Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0xc0000185, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The second solution is to rebuild BCD. Now it's very easy to remember this command. It's bootrec / rebuild BCD. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Now paste this command here and hit enter. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on Open System Restore. Select next, select the good restore point, select next, click on finish, and then click on yes. Now I won't click on yes because otherwise it will initiate the process, but you need to click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.